Welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. Today we are going to learn how to find the greatest common factor, commonly known as a GCF. So the first one we have the greatest common factor, the GCF of 12 and 16. So I already set up to two columns how I'm going to do this. So I have 12 here. So I'm going to say what numbers could go into 12. Let's see. There's 1 into 12. 1 can go into 12 12 times. 12 times 1 is 12. Can 2 go into 12? Yes. 2 into 12 goes 6. 6 times 2 or 2 times 6 is 12. Can 3 go into 12? Yes. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. What about 5? What about 6? Right, we already have 6. 6 can go into 12 2 times. Okay, so we found all the factors that could go into 12. So now we could rewrite it. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. So we're going to write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, let's find the factors of 16. 1 can go into 16, 16 times 1 is 16, or 1 times 16 is 16. What about 2? 2 can go into 16 8 times. 2 times 8 is 16, 8 times 2 is 16. What about 3? Can 3 goes into 16? 3 that going to 16 is over 5 and 5, right? 3, 5, 15, and it's going to leave a remainder of 3/10. So let's go to 4. Can 4 goes into 16? Yes. 4 into 16 goes 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. Can 5 go into 16? Right? No. Okay. So our factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So let's write down 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So what does 12 and 16 have in common? They got 1 in common, I'm in a circle. They got 2 in common, and they have 4 in common. So GCF says the greatest common factor. So what's the greatest number amongst 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 4? They have all in common. Again, they have 1, 2, and 4 in common. What is the greatest? 4. So the greatest common factor of, so we're going to say the GCF of 12 and 16 is 4. So the greatest common factor for 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, let's try one more. What is the greatest common factor of 10 and 15? So for 10, 1 can go into 10 10 times. 10 times 1 is 10. Can 2 go into 10? Yes. 2 into 10 goes 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Can 3 go into 10? No, right? Going to leave a remainder. Can 4 go into 10? No, it's going to leave a remainder. What about 5? Yes, 5 could go into 10 2 times, but we already have it here. So 5 into 10 goes 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, and 10 itself. So let's write the factors. 1, 2, 5, and 10. So let's try 15. What are the factors of 15? 1 times 15. Can we use 2? No. What about 3? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Can we use 4? No. We use 5. We already used 5. So the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, and 15. So let's go ahead and put it. 1, 3, 5, and 15. So the greatest common factor they have is 5. They have 1 in common and they have 5. So our GCF, so our greatest common factor of 10 and 5 is 5. There you have it. Please do not forget to like and share. Also subscribe and turn on the notification button for more math problems. Thank you.